Welcome to the MKIO How-To series. These videos are a set of step-by-step guides to help you configure features and complete key workflows in MKIO. Today, we're going to walk through some simple content management tools, where we'll see how to manage your media assets, from upload and import to organization and publishing. Before you begin, make sure your MKIO subscription is active and that your cloud storage account is connected. There are three main ways to add assets in MKIO. The first is to import existing assets from your storage. The second sees you doing a bulk import from Azure Media Services or another MKIO subscription. And finally, you're able to upload files directly from your local device. Go to the Assets view, select from your storage. Choose your connected storage account, enter the container name where your files are located, and assign an asset name. When you click Add, MKIO registers the files and creates the asset. Your content remains exactly where it is. It's not relocated, reprocessed, or re-encoded. MKIO simply references the files and makes them available for configuration and streaming. Once completed, the asset appears in your Assets view, ready for use. If you're migrating a large library, MediaKind provides a bulk migration tool. This allows you to move assets from Azure Media Services to MKIO, or from one MKIO subscription to another. The tool runs from the command line and uses parameters like subscription IDs and resource groups to export and import your assets. Migration progress is shown directly in the terminal. For step-by-step instructions, refer to the GitHub repository or support documentation linked below. To upload files directly, select from Local Files. Choose your storage account, specify the container, assign an asset name, and click Upload. The files are uploaded to your connected storage and registered as a new asset in MKIO. You can repeat this process for as many assets as needed. You can also add files to an existing asset. From the Assets view, open the assets and go to the File on the Storage tab. Click Add Files. Upload your new file and the asset will automatically update once the upload is complete. After creating or importing an asset, go to the Assets view and open it. On the Asset page, you'll see the tracks, which show video and audio details. You'll see the files on the storage, which list the associated files. If nothing appears, confirm your storage connection, ensuring your access keys are valid, and also check whether you have copied your storage container or bucket name correctly. Once your assets are available in your MKIO project, the next steps are creating an asset or account filter and enabling your assets for streaming. We'll cover this in the next video. For detailed setup steps and migration guidance, refer to the documentation linked in the description.